and welcome to this week's video. Today we are talking about cameras and what is the best for product photography. The best camera is always the one that you have. So if you are just starting out, spend some time getting to know the camera that you have right now, even if that is just a phone. Remember, it's not the camera that takes the photo, but the person behind it. As the photographer, you have control over how you use the camera and how the scene looks. If you do not understand how to work with light or style a photo in a pleasing way, then there is no point in spending money on a fancy camera. I would suggest investing in some decent lights first. So if this is you, make sure you check out my video on ring lights. The link is in the description. But if you've been taking photos for a while and are at the point that you are getting fed up with the quality or capabilities of your current camera, it may be time to invest in something else. Now, what camera you invest in will depend on your needs. Therefore, I'm not going to be talking about any specific cameras in this video, but I'm going to give you information on the types of cameras available. Every smartphone has a camera, but some are better quality than others. And the phone companies are continually improving them. So if you're looking at getting a new phone for taking photos of your products, make sure that the phone you buy has at least 12 megapixels. This will provide the high quality photos that you are looking for. With phones, there is also a large variety of apps which you can use to take photos as well as edit them. The Lightroom app is great for this. It has a built-in camera which gives you a lot more control over the camera settings than the standard camera app on your phone. These settings include things like shutter speed, ISO and white balance. Check out my blog on why Lightroom is the best app for more details. Again, the link is in the description. The phone camera is for you if you don't want to invest in a big camera and have a limited knowledge of photography. The next level up from a phone is a compact camera. Before phones had cameras, these were the most popular type of camera on the market. That was mainly because of their size and ease of use. They can be put in your pocket, so are perfect for carrying around on your holidays. Some of the major camera manufacturers have now stopped making compact cameras because phones have taken over the market. But there are still some available to buy new and plenty second-hand. They are also now at a pretty reasonable price because the demand for them is much lower. The benefit of a compact camera over a phone is that they often have more controls than a phone. In particular, the ability to change the aperture, which is the size of the opening in the lens. The size of this opening controls something called the depth of field, which relates to how much of the image is in focus or is sharp. This makes it perfect for creating those photos where the background is completely blurred out. This type of camera is great for you if you don't have a lot of money to invest, but want to start learning more about photography. Out of all the camera types, this is the newest to the market. A mirrorless combines the small size of a compact camera with the features of a DSLR. It allows you to have complete professional control over your camera and the photos that you are taking, without having to carry a big, heavy piece of equipment around. They also have interchangeable lenses, which give you the flexibility to photograph many different subjects. But this has also pushed the price up as you have to pay for the camera and the lenses separately, as the lenses which come with the camera are often of a lower quality. This is the best option if you're serious about learning photography and improving your photography skills. DSLR stands for Digital Single Lens Reflex. These cameras have been around for decades and evolved from the film-based SLR cameras. This is the type of camera you would expect to see a professional photographer using. Like the mirrorless camera, the DSLR also has the ability to change lenses. But because these cameras have been around for so long, there are thousands of lens options and choices out there, meaning that this camera will give you the most flexibility with how your images will look. Because of their size, range of features, selection of lenses and other accessories available, these are the most expensive of the camera types. If you're thinking about becoming a professional photographer, this is the camera that you would probably be investing in. But a high-end mirrorless could also do the same job. So, as I said at the beginning of the video, what camera you are going to need really depends on what you are using it for. A phone or compact camera is perfect for those of you just starting out. But for anyone wanting to get more serious about their photos, a mirrorless or a DSLR might be the way to go. If you need any help with choosing a camera or learning how to use your new camera, please drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to get more tips and tricks on how to improve your product photos.